Assalamu alaikum everyone. I know you people are not okay today. I'm also not. We all are saddened by the tragedy that took place in Milestone School and College. The incident took away so far undefined fresh lives, fresh hopes, hopes of the parents who lost their children. We mourn the tragedy, the tragic death of the students, children, our brothers and sisters. We have no language. We have no language to speak for consoling the parents who lost their children. What we can do is only praying. We can pray for the departed souls. We can pray for the injured admitted in hospital bed and suffering the burn. We can pray to the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so that the injured recover very soon and the departed souls who are already dead may find the highest place in Jannah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please, please, please grant our prayer, and save our country from such catastrophe, from such disastrous incident, from such tragedies. If you can, donate blood. If you can, stand beside them. I'm here ready to donate my blood. My blood group is O positive. And I have asked everyone I know to get ready and stay prepared to donate their bloods. This is the minimum thing we can do. We can't do anything else. And yes, of course, don't blame the country, don't blame the system, or don't blame anyone for this tragedy, because it's just an accident. An accident can happen anytime, anywhere, anyhow. The flight lieutenant Tokir tried his best till the last moment to save the children, but in vain. So we should not denounce anyone. We should not speak ill of anyone making responsible for this tragic accident. Act responsible and stay well. Allah Hafiz.